How to change doctor blades on AkeBoose Strip-Blade holders for rotogravure printing. What do you need for the blade change? The blade holder, a new doctor blade strip, a soft lint-free cloth, a pair of pliers, and a pair of safety gloves. Apply pliers to the outer corner of the worn doctor blade at the holder end. Pull out the blade carefully in line with the holder, using your hands. The backup blade remains in the holder. Insert a new doctor blade corner first, starting at the end of the holder. Make sure you put it behind the backup blade. Take the cloth and push in the blade along the holder with gentle pressure. That's it, ready for printing in seconds. Follow us on LinkedIn and YouTube for more tips and product insights.